Hello friends, how are you? Myself Rahul Pandey. I welcome you all in YouTube channel Edufidelity. Today we will derive the mirror formula. Here I have taken a convex mirror and I have placed an object in front of the mirror. This is the principal axis. This is the principal axis. When a ray which is parallel to the principal axis will strike the mirror, then it will bounce back in the same medium. And we know that a ray which is parallel to the principal axis will passes through the focus point. Having extended this ray in this direction, we are getting that this line intersects the principal axis at a point. That point will be called as focus. Now another ray which will strike to the pole point of the mirror, then it will bounce back in the same medium. Having extended this ray in this direction, that we are getting that this ray intersects the another ray which passes through the focus point. That point of intersection will be denoted by a dash. Okay, and we know that a ray which is passes through the center of curvature will trace the same path. Okay, let us prove the mirror formula. To prove the mirror formula, we should take triangle ABC and triangle A-B-C. In triangle ABC and triangle A-B-C. Triangle ABC, similar triangle A-B-C by angle similarity. Okay, let us know how triangle is similar. Angle B in triangle ABC and triangle A-B-C, angle B is equal to angle B dash is 90 degree. Angle C is equal to angle C common in both triangle, hence triangle will be similar. If triangles are similar, then their corresponding side will be in the same proportion. So we can write here AB, and what will be corresponding side of AB? Corresponding side of AB will be A dash B dash. So upon A dash B dash is equal to BC, and what will be corresponding side of BC? B dash C. Now let us take triangle ABP and triangle A-B-P. In triangle ABP and triangle A-B-P. These triangles are similar. Why? Angle B is equal to angle B dash. It is each 90 degree, and we know that in the condition of reflection, angle of incidence, this is the angle of incidence and it is the angle of reflection. So in the condition of reflection, angle of incidence is equal to angle of reflection. If this is angle R, then this will be also angle R, vertically opposite angle. So angle I is equal to angle R. This angle is equal to this angle. In this triangle, in triangle ABP, this angle, incidence angle, and this reflected angle will be equivalent to each other. So triangle ABP and triangle A-B-P will be similar. Are similar. If two triangles are similar, then their corresponding side will be in the same proportion. So we can write here AB upon A dash B dash is equal to BP. In this triangle, triangle ABP, BP upon B dash P. This is the equation first and this is the equation second. From first and second, second we will get from first and second. RHS of both equation are same, so LHS will be also equal. So we can write here BC upon B dash C is equal to BP upon B dash P. So BC upon B dash C is equal to BP upon B dash P. BC can be also expressed in the form of BP plus PC. So BP plus PC upon B dash C. This is the B dash C. B dash C can be expressed CP minus B dash P is equal to, that will be BP upon B dash P. So BP plus PC, what is the value of BP? Value of BP is equal to U plus value of PC. This will be radius of curvature. PC will be radius of curvature. So we can write here R upon, what is the value of CP? The value of CP is equal to radius of curvature minus, what is the value of B dash P? Here it is the value of B dash P is equal to V. We can write here V is equal to BP. What is the value of BP? BP is equal to U upon B dash P is equal to V. Firstly write this. Now let us prove that U will be negative here. Why U will be negative? Because U is placed in front of the mirror and it is left side. U is in the left side, so the symbol of U will be negative at here. Okay. Having multiplied this, we will get here minus U V plus RV is equal to minus U R plus U V. Okay. Having transposed UR in this direction, we will get here UR plus RV is equal to UV plus UV. This will be, having taken R as common, this will be U plus V is equal to 2UV. Okay. Now R is equal to 2UV upon U plus V. Okay. We know that F is equal to R by 2. So we can write here R is equal to 2F. 2F is equal to 2UV upon U plus V. Okay. 2 will cancel out by 2. We can write here 1 upon F is equal to U plus V upon UV. We can write here 1 upon F is equal to U upon UV plus V upon UV. Now U is cancelled out by U, V is cancelled out by V. So it will be 1 upon F. 1 upon F is equal to 1 upon V plus 1 upon U, that is the mirror formula, and it is proved. Okay, write down this.